Hi friends, this is 5 Mustak YouTube channel. Here is Oneplus Nord smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can set portable hotspot in your phone Oneplus Nord. First of all, your phone go to the settings. Now click on Wi-Fi and network. Wi-Fi and network. Click on hotspot and tethering and turn on the button against Wi-Fi hotspot. This is hotspot name. By default, device name will be appeared. You can also delete it and you can assign your own name. Here I just give a name as my phone, and in security you can select a password of your choice. Here you should set your password. Minimum will be 8 characters. And this is the AP band. You can select from the available 2 options. This is connected device. As there is no device connected now, it's showing empty. And to connect this device to another device, just bring another device here and turn on Wi-Fi there. Here I have OnePlus 7. Go to Wi-Fi and you will see the signal from Oneplus Nord. Scanning, just wait few seconds. Yes, my phone, the hotspot name with my phone received. Just click on it and supply the password and click on connect. It will be connected. Yes, so Oneplus Nord hotspot has been connected to OnePlus 7. Now if you have internet in your phone Oneplus Nord, then it will be accessible here. Yes, it's working very well. You can also see the incoming connection in your Oneplus Nord. Bring OnePlus Nord and tap on hotspot, and here you will see connected device. Yes, OnePlus 7 has been connected. You can also disconnect here itself. So in this way you can easily set portable hotspot. That's all friends. Bye.